Yee-hoo! Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. It has been a minute since I've ridden this beast. This is the first time I've started up this bike since my last road trip in July, my cross-country road trip from Florida to Washington State. Now, the battery was dead, so I had to get a new battery because that thing was conked out. But it feels so good to shift again. I've been riding my scooter recently all over St. Pete doing, DoorDash and Uber Eats. But this is my first time shifting gears in a minute. Oh, I did have to clean the chain real nice because that thing was messed up. And this thing feels, it's funny, the weight, compared to my scooter, which is terrible. I mean, it's a 150, so this is 950, The engine feels a little funny. I didn't put any fuel stabilizer in it because I wasn't planning on wasn't like winterizing the bike, but woo, it's like it's just like jumping back on the horse. This is the greatest feeling ever. I forgot how good this bike was. Engine feels a little funny. I think I need to get new fresh fuel in this thing. But I've been riding my Piaggio Liberty 150S, for the last 5 or 6 months or whatever it is. Woo! It just takes a second to get back on the horse. The braking is the main thing. The brakes are so good on this. Dual disc brakes up front, Brembo, and single disc brake in the rear. There's quite a bit more power on this bad boy. As you can see, I have a brand new display here. This is a HFK HC50. Woo! Hold on. I'm like holding on right now. Forgot the joys of this beast. I was gonna say bitch. I'm riding in the slow lane because I'm like a little cautious still. My chain was slightly loose and I tightened that on my own, but the main concern, and I'm not going to be taking it too crazy, is the front tire has scalloped in an interesting way since I've relied mostly on front braking for my entire cross-country road trip, which was like over 10,000 miles. I guess if you use the front brake too much, then it causes that front tire to kind of pinch in the center. So I don't want to, poke the bear by doing the lean angle too much here. But right now we're heading, I don't know, we're just going a little joyride. I do need to get some gas, and I want to see how this new, HFK HC50 works out. This connects to your phone. You can get text and calls, Spotify, and you can just see here, it's got the entire, app store, or not store, but your layout, which is really sweet. You could toggle through here and you could see live readings. There's also a tire pressure monitoring system which you can plug right into your tires, and that gives you live feed of your tire pressure and the tire temperature. And then you can also see here we got front and rear 2K video that's recording on a 1-minute loop, which you can change to record at 2-minute loop, 5-minute loop, 10-minute loop, whatever. And you can see here you can toggle through different views, and it's touchscreen friendly. See that? You got front, rear, front, rear, front, rear, and front and rear. And you can make this so it automatically records directly to your phone too. There's built-in storage here, so it's going to be recorded on the device. But you can also sync it up to your phone, so that way it records directly to your phone, make it easy to upload footage. It does come with an active G-Shock sensor, which is really cool. So that way, whoa, I'm still getting used to the buttons, but they're big and chunky and touchscreen friendly. I want to see which one's the camera. I think it's this one. Whoa, it's weird riding a motorcycle again. I've been riding my scooter doing Uber Eats and DoorDash for the last 7 months. Whoa, I just wanted to be on 2 wheels, but I forgot the joy of this bike here. Now I'm trying to figure out how do I get back to the main menu. I think it's this button here, back. There you go. Very touchscreen friendly. I am amazed. And it shows you live feed here. One cool thing about this is that it does have offline maps too. So like if you're off the grid, it's still going to get you where you need to get to. I really like this HFK HC50, which they did send me to review, full disclosure. But, this button here, see that? There you got some live footage. I really like it. So tomorrow I'm going to do a more in-depth ride. I want to install those tire pressure monitoring they go right into your tire, what's it called? Air port hole thingy? I don't know what the hell it's called. But they go right in it, so it monitors live. It's really cool. And 'cause normally, I have my my phone right here, so I did have to replace it with this device. But I might just leave this here forever because it really does a lot more than my phone. and that way my phone's not exposed to the elements either. You know, if it rains before my phone get all wet, it's not waterproof, so that would be not good. But this thing is made for, shock resistant and waterproof, so really a durable piece of kit, which I highly recommend. I'll put a link in the description below and you can check it out for yourself. Love you. Bye bye.